Good morning from country 25. Not only have we made it to Germany, but we're here celebrating one of the most epic events in the entire world. Welcome to Oktoberfest 2023. A huge part in celebrating Oktoberfest. It's also all about the community, food, and epic rides. Now before we really get into the shenanigans of Oktoberfest, we do just want to point out that we did in fact explore some of Munich, seeing top sites like Marienplatz, going up the new town hall tower, and even the stunning Nymphenburg Palace. We even saw this $1,000 lederhosen set, but we know that's not why you're here.
We made it into Oktoberfest. Now we have to go try and find a tent.
Welcome to
Oktoberfest! If you can't tell.
We're officially here in country 25 in Germany, celebrating the one and only true Oktoberfest. It is Monday morning, so it's a bit quieter than the weekend, and we chose this day specifically so we could hopefully get into a tent.
Cheers!
At this point in the day, we were still taking it all in, seeing all the field trips, little kids coming in, balloons, foods, meeting locals like Eric, and grabbing some pretzels. The tent was just starting to fill up and the band was just starting to play when, all of a sudden, the Italians showed up. With their peace offering of peanuts and their monkey named Priscilla, it took them a little while to warm up, but pretty soon, there were people chugging beers everywhere. Did I chug a beer? Of course not, because then I would have been brought out of the tent like these guys. Instead, we chose to stay inside the tent, have some fun, and drink some more beer. As we toured the grounds of Oktoberfest, we actually learned a lot. We learned that basically Oktoberfest started all because back in 1810, King Ludwig was getting married. He invited the entire town of Munich to help him celebrate, and it's inevitably turned into what it is today. We also learned that there's basically 5 main things to do at Oktoberfest: the beer tents, Oktoberfest cocaine, the food, the rides, and the traditional clothing. The beer tents at Oktoberfest are unlike any other. With 21 small tents and 17 large tents, there will always be more to explore, especially since each of these tents has something that makes them uniquely different, whether it's by having a roaring lion head, using traditional wooden barrels, being decorated in hops, or even having a place to throw your bras. First things first, Oktoberfest cocaine is not cocaine. It's basically a mix of sugar and mint, and it's meant to wake you up so you can keep enjoying Oktoberfest and drink some more beer. Bottles sell at €6.50, and pretty soon you'll see everyone around you snorting this to get through the afternoon. Pretty unique and definitely part of the Oktoberfest experience.
Time to go get some food.
The food at Oktoberfest is unlike any other, with a mix of traditional Bavarian foods.
I got a, who knows, but large potato dumpling.
How do you say this? The potato dumpling?
Potato dumpling?
Yeah.
It's like Kartoffelknödel.
Okay. In classic fair foods, this is one thing you won't want to mix. The two things you have to get before leaving Oktoberfest: a gingerbread heart and half a chicken. When most people think of entertainment at Oktoberfest, they probably think of the beer tents. Well, let's just say there's a whole nother world out there. Two rides you have to watch or try are the toboggan ride, more specifically the conveyor belt at the beginning of the toboggan ride.
Got to run in. Thank you.
Thank you. So fun.
That was fun.
And the Devil's Wheel, essentially a turntable where everyone tries to stay on the longest.
Before we officially say goodbye to Oktoberfest, we wanted to give you guys a couple of tips in case you're planning to visit yourself. The first one is to wear traditional outfits, especially if you're looking to visit the beer garden. That means dirndls for women, lederhosen for men, and try to avoid all the costumes and things that they sell on Amazon. My second tip is to bring cash, because all of the places on the grounds do not accept cards. So make sure you bring plenty of cash to have fun. My very last tip is to try to see more than just the beer garden. There is so many rides, so many fun foods to try, so try to get out there and explore the grounds a bit. My very last tip is just to enjoy, because this is such a bucket list experience. You're gonna want to take it all in. And that's all for now. So we'll see you guys on the next adventure. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye.
Wait.
Wait. Wait. It's blurry. Okay.
It's supposed to be the hottest day. Then it's supposed to.
I'll do a little more in the middle. There you go. Yeah, that's a cute one.
I'm happy as hell being here.
Oh, me too. Now say I love Dad.
We love Mike.
Yeah.
Thanks for paying.
Yep. You're welcome.
Such a problem for Lucky.